Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to change screen brightness on Windows 11 quickly and easily. So let's get started. Firstly, change brightness from quick setting. Click on the Wi-Fi and music battery icon. Here you will see the brightness icon. You can decrease or increase from there. Number second, change brightness from Windows setting. You can go to Start menu. Here you will search for settings. Open setting. Now click on the system. Here you will see the display. Click on the display. Now you will see the brightness and color section. From there you can decrease the brightness or increase as you want. Also you can select there from that change brightness based on content, like always on battery only or off. So this setting method give you more display option and controls. Method 3, use keyboard brightness keys. Just simply press function plus brightness key, like sun icon up for increase brightness and sun icon down for decrease brightness. That's it. How you can change screen brightness on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.